How to record a meeting on Join Me for Android. If you wish to record the meeting, tap on the three dots menu from the top. Here, you will have a button called Record. Tap on it. An icon on the top will show you that the meeting is recording. You can stop the record either at the end of the meeting or at any time in the meeting. If you wish to stop the record before the end of the meeting, tap again on the three dots menu. Here, tap Stop Record. The record will be sent to your email. Please note, if you have a big meeting, it can take a bit of time to receive the email, so please be patient. Let's see the email that we received from Join Me. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.